My dear friends, welcome to Learn SAP FICO. Friends, today we are going to start a configuration step of involving in CU. Before starting, I request you all, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all my coming videos. So let's start today's session. First of all, the first step is maintain controlling area. The T code is OKKP. What is maintain controlling area? It means a top level, or it represents a management for which we want to analyze the cost of a company. So the controlling area is the top hierarchy for which we want to analyzes the cost of a company. The T code is OKKP, and let's go to SAP screen and maintain the controlling area. Here you can run the T code directly, OKKP, or the path is SPRO. Then click on SAP reference IMG. Here click on controlling. Click on General Controlling, then first one, Organization, and here you will get the first option, Maintain Controlling Area. Execute it. Here you will see the three options. You have to click on the second one, Maintain Controlling Area. Double click on it. Here you will maintain your controlling area. As we have maintained already, so I'll show you the steps how to maintain the controlling area. First of all, you need to click on new entry. Here you will get the option your controlling area is equal to company code. If your company is having one company code or a multiple company code, so this option is used to control your company code is equal to your controlling area. First of all, click on it. Give your company code for which you want to maintain the controlling area. For our company code, that is Tata, we have already maintained. So I am showing you for another, like I am giving HWOR, and then it is already exist with the company code. So here you can give your company code, and then you will see it will take all the details from your company code automatically. Only need to change the assignment control. Under assignment control, you will get the option, first one, controlling area same as company code, or the second one, cross company code cost accounting. If there are two scenarios, if your company is having one company code same as your controlling area, so you have to choose first one. If in your company there are multiple company codes, so you have to select cross company code cost accounting. Clear? Then rest the things like currency and your chart of account, fiscal year, it will copy from your company code automatically. Only two things you have to define here. First one is assignment control, in which you have to tell either your company code is one company code or your company has multiple company codes. Then here you have to tell the hierarchy, your controlling area hierarchy name you have to tell here. What is the name or identity of your controlling area hierarchy? So here you can maintain the name of your controlling area hierarchy. And one more thing you have to remember, in case of cross company code cost accounting, the here is one thing which you should remember in case of cross company code accounting, that is your fiscal year variant and your chart of account should be same in all company codes. This is a mandatory, because if your fiscal year or chart of account is not same, so it will not work. So remember this thing, if you are using cross company code cost accounting, in that case your chart of account and your fiscal year variant should be equal, should be same in all company codes. Here I'll show you the existing controlling area where you can see all the details. Here, click on this position, then give your controlling area. Our company code or our controlling area is Tata. Press enter. Here you can see our controlling area. Select it. Double click on it. Then here you can see your controlling area name, name of your company, then assignment control. I have the one company codes that is equal to my controlling area. So I have selected this first one. So as per your business requirement, you have to select your assignment control. Here it has taken by all the details by the company code, like currency type is Tata, your currency is INR and currency type is 10. Chart of account, fiscal year variant, and here I have given the company name as my controlling area hierarchy. So here only need to define these two things. First one is assignment control and second one is hierarchy. Then double click on activate components. So here you will see your fiscal year variant has taken by the previous window, and in a activate components you have to activate that components which you want to active in your company. Like first of all, click on this component active. Then here at the bottom you have to select which area you want to active, like profit center accounting and cost object. I have selected in which I want to see the cost. In which area you want to work, so you have to select that areas. Like I have selected profit center accounting and cost object. So as per your business, you have to select in which area you want to work. So that areas you have to active from here. Then double click on assignment of company codes. Here you have to assign your company code. So here you will get the option of new entry. Then click on new entry. Then assign your company code. Then simply just click on save. So this is the way to maintain your controlling area, and your controlling area will represent the top level of your company.